Alright, I'm going to make some foam covers, and the covers go against the seat and the weight goes on top of the covers. I choose to use this Dow styrofoam. It's really strong and it's very lightweight. All I need to do is have a straight edge, a pin to mark the foam, and measure out the dimensions of the tray, and a razor blade knife to cut it out. It's really simple. Alright, my trays are 19.5 by 9.5 on the bottom. And so I managed to get 4 out of the 19.5 this way, and then 4 9.5s the other direction. In order to cut these, all you have to do is put the razor blade on the line, follow the line, and it only needs to go about halfway in, because then you can bend it and snap it the rest of the way. So I'm going to do this long line first, and then I'll cut each individual opposite direction line. Try to be as precise as possible because these are angled up, and you want to keep it as dark as possible underneath there. And I want you to pay particular attention to the corner if you have a rounded edge tray here, because if it's pointed, it's going to not fit in there very well, and you may end up doing like I did at first and cutting more length from here to make the point fit. So there you go. That's all there is to making the covers.